Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. In this tutorial I will explain the second part of the Penelope blanket, the part with the purple and light gray yarn. Here you can see the chart, and you can find the chart of this pattern that you can find on the link below the video. To make this pattern you have to repeat the stitches that are in the square in black. There are 4 rows that you have to repeat, and in my case I will repeat 15 rows. But you can repeat this square, this part of the pattern, as many times as you need to make the width and the length that you prefer. You have to make 2 base rows. You can make the first row with double crochet or with single crochet. Here in the original blanket you can see that I made the first row with double crochet, the first base row with double crochet, and the second base row with single crochet. But you can also make it with single crochet both base rows. So start with the first base row with the purple color. So place the yarn, leaving a long tail at the beginning of the row. Place the yarn, chain 1. Make a single crochet in the very first stitch. This is the first stitch. Remember that you have to make the first stitch and the last stitch with single crochet, with normal single crochet. And now make one single crochet on each stitch, but taking the back loop. Taking only the back loop of the stitch, you have to make 1 single crochet to the end of the row. And once you are at the end, you have to make the last stitch, making 1 single crochet normally, and then make a chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Start with the second row of the base with the light gray yarn. Start making the same, leave a long tail at the beginning, place the yarn, make a single crochet on the first stitch of the previous row, and make 1 single crochet in all the row, taking only the back loop. And once you are at the last stitch, you have to make a single crochet normally, chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Now we have to start with the pattern. With the purple yarn you have the first square with a star. This is the color that you have to use in all the row, and you have to make 5 single crochet and 1 double crochet. Five single crochet and 1 double crochet. Remember, make the first stitch normally, and make 5 single crochet, taking only the back loop, And the following stitch you have to make a double crochet, but taking the loop of the previous row in purple from the bottom to the top. You have to take this loop and make one double crochet. And repeat the same 5 single crochet, taking the back loops, and 1 double crochet, taking the loop of the previous row in the same color that you are working on. 5 single crochet and 1 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Remember to make the last stitch with 1 single crochet. Row number 2 of the pattern with light gray, you have to make 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. One double crochet, three single crochet, one double crochet, and one single crochet. Repeat the same to the end. Row number 3 with the purple yarn. Again, you have to make one single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet and two single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Row number 4 and the last row of the repetition. You have to make 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 3 single crochet. Two single crochet, one double crochet, and 3 single crochet. Those are the 4 rows that you have to repeat to have the pattern with the size that you want. Remember that if you started with a base row with double crochet, you should finish with a base row, you should finish with a row also with double crochet. And you finish the second part of the Penelope blanket, and see you on the next video.